Are you responsible for Azure cost billing reporting every month? First of the month's just around the corner. Are you dreading it? Does it take you an hour to get it just right, to give it just like your boss wants it, or finance wants it, or executive summary? Well, I've created something to make your life a little bit easier. Let's take the hour back and turn it into 90 seconds. How about that? Introducing the Azure Cost Insight plugin module for Claude Cowork. Let me show you what it does. You go up here and you just say, show me my Azure spend, and enter. As it's thinking, it loads the skill and it starts to launch the dashboard. What it will show you is what changed month over month, what services drove any increases, any summarization that you request. And the difference between this and having to log into Portal is you can just ask it questions. What was my top 10? Why did my bill go up 5% this month over last month? So this is a limited beta through July 10th. I just want to get some feedback on what I can do to improve it. This is truly an early release, and I'm looking for people who are responsible for collecting and reviewing the Azure building data every month. It could be a cloud engineer, it could be a finance person, it could be a manager. I know there's various people responsible for collecting this data, but somebody always wants it. So if you'd like to be a beta tester for this, sign up, download this, and give me some feedback. Alright, so where are we at? Progress. Authenticating to Azure. And then here's the steps. Great. Here it is. It's waiting for sign in. So it's asking me to put this code into this URL. So I'm going to do that. I have a URL pulled up. Paste this code. Next. This is my account. And continue. And you will see a sign that says Microsoft Azure Cross-Platform Command Line Interface. You have now signed in. Once that occurs, this constantly polls, and it's checking out things. Let's see what it pulls up. Alright, it's working still. It's pulled my personal portfolio subscription. 3 months. You can see it working through here, pulled the month through month, saving the cost data now. It's creating the files that it needs to be able to pull so you can question it. It's working. Alright, it came back. Here's Azure Cost Insight. This is a very small account that I currently have showing you, but I'm going to show you what the report looks like. So you can see Azure Monitor, 93 cents over the last 3 months. Storage, very little. And there's some built-in minimums into this because if you're running it on an enterprise account, it's obviously going to be over $50. But these also gives you these shortcuts so that you can just click whatever report that you want as well as export it. And then it gives you the basic details here. Anomalies, recommendations. Set up a scheduled monthly pull if you want to run on its own. It doesn't know that you have to type the code in, but we can absolutely do it. Export. How do you want to export? CSV, PDF, HTML. I don't know. Let's do a nice HTML for my executives. How about that? I need a nice HTML document for my executives. Actually, make that a PDF. I need to prove to them that this is worth having. Probably my whisper flow understood it. Alright, so it's asking me a question. Who are these executives and what's the pitch? It changes the whole framing of the document, so it's intelligent. It identifies the audience that you need and helps you guide to what they probably want to see. One of the first rules in report writing is knowing your audience. So clearly this is a tech demo since we're going with. Alright, how should it be branded? My personal company or neutral. We're going to go with neutral since this is a personal account. Alright, live demo account, $4. How should I handle that honestly? Well, let's see. Focus capability, hide the dollar, show real numbers, no overshadow. How about frame as proof of concept? And we wait. Alright, here we go. It thinks I made a good choice. Fantastic. Always good to be validated by the computer. Doing its thing. We're going to let it search the web. Pause the video. Be right back. Alright, it just took maybe 30 seconds. It, for some reason, searched a lot of websites. Maybe for reporting formatting. I don't know. This is why I need some beta testers and appreciate your feedback and any quirks or things that you find. Alright, so it's building the PDF. We're at 10,000 characters. We'll see how high we go. Alright, it topped at around 18,000 characters. Now creating the file. Here we go, editing. It's working it. Go Claude. Go Claude. Alright, I like this because it knew there was a risk for EM dashes, which is fascinating to me because AI puts them everywhere. But yeah, there's a problem with ASCII safety. So it caught it, thankfully. Oh boy, so the file got truncated now, but it's working it out. It's working it out. Maybe 90 seconds was a little aggressive, but we're still under 5 minutes. It's still better than logging into Portal. Alright, we'll be right back. Looks clean and professional across all 3 pages. We're done. Oh, here we go. Here's the big reveal. Drum roll, please. 3-page neutral branded capability. Spine of the pitch is a proof of concept. Alright, 2 things worth noting. Well, okay, so this is the part where I ask it to justify the price of this tool, and now it's doing it. You see how you can talk to the data? You can really customize the reporting that you want. And this is what we got. So let's see. Okay, looks like we had a rendering error over here on the right side. If it had done it in HTML, it would have showed up. So I went ahead and got pulled the PDF up anyway, just to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. The problem it addresses talks about cloud spend, and then it has some statistics. I mean, this will justify you not having to go dig for this report and format it in just such a way. And if you want to format it the way that they absolutely want, drag that report in and tell it to match the format. Yeah, check back later. I'm going to do some more tips of the day. But this is it. I just gotta look at this application that will save you $60,000 a year. It's a free download. Why wouldn't you take it? Thanks. I look forward to you guys' feedback. I'm Dustin. Talk to you soon.